Do we have any other size 11 wrenches, like a T-handle one? Or does just this?
I can feel it in the ankle already.
Do you need like a 10?
No, I just thought we might have a T-handle version of a wrench.
No.
Doc, you didn't bring your toolkit, man.
We got a more extensive one.
The drill, you should have brought the drill. The D-wall. So what is done with this stuff? You guys don't reuse none of this, right?
We don't, yeah. Some places they'll recycle them.
So do you let the patient keep it?
Yeah, you want it?
Nah, I want it.
One of my partners had a guy. They took a rod out of his leg, a couple of years later, and he made a kickstand out of it for his motorcycle.
I want to do something with this stuff.
Yeah.
Watch.
All right.
Build
It's
something.
yours to keep. We'll clean up we'll prep the sites with some. Oh, thanks. Hurts?
It's just the pressure. You know the pressure?
Yep.
The bending of it?
Yeah. No, just alcohol would be nice. Yeah.
It's alright, man. I'm ready. I came ready.
All right, good.
Have you had a patient do this before?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did they cry?
Sometimes they just it's. I've never had it done to myself, and people describe it as just a really difficult thing to describe. So
I'm just gonna put this over here.
Hello, hello. Doctor, how are you?
How you doing, Dr. Adams? Nice to meet you.
Yes, I still remember you.
Yeah. Oh, yes, that's right.
Hey, Papi, you're interrupting my meditation.
I'm sorry.
This is my meditation
You can have a
time.
seat.
Thank you. Gracias.
So we're going to take off the frame here.
We're gonna see.
Yeah.
The fun part hasn't begun.
Alrighty.
When you hear me like,
I got here right on time.
Huh?
I didn't want to miss
huh?
this.
You should have went to the tiki then.
Oh yeah? Bala Horse Cuervo over here for this.
How are you? All of you. Good. How do you see that leg? I'm amazed.
Yeah. It's well. Yeah. Luckily, he's in the place where we take care of complicated injuries, so this looks good to me, you know. But yeah.
Hey, if it looks good to you, it looks
Yeah.
wonderful to me.
Yeah.
If you need any help from me, I should hold somewhere.
Wow, that ankle one's gonna hurt, man. That ankle one's gonna hurt.
Okay.
But just do it, Doc.
All right. Let's get the bolt cutter.
Don't kick me.
No, no. Nah, it's not that serious.
Do you mind holding this one right there?
This
I
one?
don't want to stay.
And then I'm just gonna.
Just hold it from there, right?
Yeah, just so it doesn't fly.
It's been a while. You don't complain about anything.
This is some intense stuff here, you know? Not everybody can hold the camera and take an X-fix
I
off.
know. If you want to lie down, it's
No, man.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. well, let me, let's clean everything up. Just at the edges here.
All of them, just go ahead.
If it's really bothersome, we can stop and we can find a time to take, to make it. I was saying that we have two options. We can do it here in the office, which is more, we'll be done here in 2 minutes. Or the other option is we do put people, give them some light sedation in the operating room and do it there. The whole process obviously takes 5 minutes, but it's difficult we would need to find a time to do it and all of that. And obviously we would need to schedule it, and we wouldn't be able to do it today.
He needs to decide.
So yes. So and
What was his decision?
to do it right
Today.
here, right now.
But
Right.
the thing is, you wouldn't get video feed off of that.
That's right. So here we are. We're going to get started taking the pin out. Okay. So here we go.
Okay, let me hold this one for you. Alright? Is it okay?
That is the worst one.
I don't know.
That's the worst one. I'm telling you. That you know how long that was?
You're doing great. You did great.
Look how long that was.
All right. Here we go. Number two. 1, 2, 3.
That one doesn't hurt.
Good.
I think it's because of all the pain that I took from that one.
Yeah, so this is what I was mentioning. It's for whatever reason, one will be in a spot that'll give people pain, and one will. 2 down, 2 to go.
Freaking ankle one still hurts, man.
Great.
Doing great. You're doing great.
Ah. Last one. I'm not gonna kick you.
Done. You did awesome. Wow.
It's the breathing technique. It's the breathing technique. Now you can't say I can't take pain, right?
Oh, no. Yeah, congratulations.
You're proving yourself today.
You're close to the pain women take.
Oh no, I don't think so.
But you cannot have a baby kid.
I don't think I'm close to the pain women take.
You imagine when they give birth? Oh my.
You guys will never know.
Oh, I did this for the love of science.
The surface of bones is really, the nerves that are on, it's quite pain. These a fracture is also quite painful because the nerves that are on the surface of the bones, when that surface is disrupted, so
So that's it, right? No more cool stuff.
No more
All right.